Language learning made easy.
Hello, lovely students. Welcome to English for Beginners.
I have a very special lesson for you today. That's going to help you practice your speaking and listening skills in English through many different activities. Some of them might include new vocabulary for you.
Don't worry, I'll provide a full list with illustrations at the end of the video.
Okay, let's practice together now. For class details.
Unit 3, Growing Roses. Excuse me, ma'am. I have a problem with my rose bush. It used to produce a lot of pink roses, but now it doesn't produce any flowers at all.
I see. That does seem like a problem. Do the leaves on the plant look healthy?
Not really. The leaves used to be very green. Now most of them have turned brown.
Well, I think your rose bush needs some fertilizer.
Okay. What sort of fertilizer do you think I should use?
This liquid fertilizer is very good. It will help make your rose leaves green again. Then the plant should produce roses quite soon. The fertilizer costs about $10.
How long will it take for my rosebush to recover?
About 2 weeks, I think.
Great! I'll take it. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
Vocabulary. Rose bush. Produce. Leaves. Turn brown. Liquid. Fertilizer. Cost. Recover. Thank you and goodbye.